Hello, my name is Sandra and I work for Group Carnarvon as an energy warden. A lot of people come into the house and just turn up the thermostat to the desired temperature. If you like waking up to a warm house in the morning, you need to set the programmer. So we're going to set it onto program, and it says here, set. So if you want the heating to come on at 7 o'clock in the morning, that's fine. Maybe you'd like it on a little bit earlier. You just press the minus button. We'll start the heating at 6:30 in the morning. We'll OK that. The next time is the time that it's set to go off. Maybe you'd like it to go off a little bit earlier than 8:30, so we'll press the minus button, take it up to 8 o'clock, and we'll OK that. The second timing is for when it's set to come on again. So if you're home at 5, you're going to need it on a little bit earlier than that. So we'll minus it and we'll put it on at 4:30 so it's warm when you come home, and OK that. The next time that you'll see is the time that it's meant to go off that evening. If you'd like it on a little bit later, just press the plus button, take it up to 8:30 and OK that. If you need any more information, please consult the Energy Wardens.